Hi everyone. All right, so we're going to go over our homework sheet 56 that goes with the lesson Ghost Letter Digraphs GN, KN, and WR. So we're going to go over these words and we're going to decide how to code them and then read the quick story. All right, so let's look at our words. I'm going to read each one. I'm going to put a little check mark as I say them. So repeat after me. Wreck, knit, gnash, spread, stork, wreath. Okay, let's go back and code each word. First word, wreck, wreck. I'm going to underline digraph WR, but we don't hear the W, we just hear the R. We're going to underline the CK, but we don't hear the C sound, we just hear the K. And put a breve over the E, wreck. Next one, knit, knit. We're going to underline digraph KN, but we don't hear that K, we just hear the N. Short I sound. Next word, gnash, gnash. Okay, underline digraph GN, we do not hear the G. Underline SH, and we'll put a breve over the A for the short A sound. Next word, spread, spread. We're going to underline EA. We do not hear the A, so it makes the E have a short E sound. Next one, stork, stork. We have combination OR, we'll put an arc under it. Last one, wreath, wreath. We do not hear the W. Let's underline the digraph, cross out the W. We have a long E sound. And we're going to underline the EA and the TH. We do not hear the A. All right, so let's match up our pictures. First one, we have it looks like a bird. So what word might go with that? It's a type of bird. And it would be a stork. Next one, we have a picture of a wreath. And the last one, the girl has she's like sewing something together, but it's called knit. You're knitting. So she is going to knit something. All right, let's read the story together and then we will underline important details to help us with the question. Mom and I are going to the store. We will look first to see what we need. Mom tells me to write the words apples and coffee on her list. I want to write candy, but should I ask Mom? All right. Number 7, where are the words written? Where are the words written? Okay, so if you write the words, she wrote apples and coffee, where? Where did she write them? On Mom's list. Okay. Number 8, where can Mom get apples and coffee? Where is she going to get them? She's going to the store. Number 9, I want Mom to get candy. Is that true? Was that stated in this paragraph? I want to write candy. So yes, they do want some candy. Okay, guys, that was a short lesson. Have a great day. Make sure you flip this over, work on it independently, and turn it into your teacher. Have a great day.